If you are an absolute beginner for computer, I will show you some recommended things that you should have to know before operating or touching a computer. Before we directly go to the computer process step, that is input, process, output, forget about that. First of all, you should have to know is identify which is the computer and which is not the computer. For example, this, the bigger box you have seen is system unit. A system unit is actually a computer that have board inside and all computer components that we call it a computer. This is a computer actually. But the thing that you have seen here is a display, a computer display, but it is not a computer. This is not a computer. This is actually to display the information that is processed inside the computer system. So we call it this display system. Now I think you have identified which is a computer and which is not the computer. This is the bigger thing. The box, the system unit is the computer system, the computer, and this is not the computer, but it displays the data that you are working inside the computer system. How it displays data from the computer system? This is the main question. We call it this one is a computer that we already identified. How it displays is there is a cable called VGA cable. You see this VGA cable? This VGA cable transfer data from the computer system, the data that you are working on it that is processed by the CPU, and it will give you the output to the monitor or the display system by using this. Actually there is two pins. The first pin plugged here in the system unit and the second pin is plugged here at the back of the monitor. You can plug it here. Now I think you have understand. There is a power socket here. So the power socket's one pin here and one to the power source. There is also for the system unit. There's also for a speaker, the power source for the printer also. Now you have identified which is the computer, which is the display unit, and how the computer display data into the monitor. You identified how the monitors power up and how the system unit power up actually. Here is the system unit powering cable. Now you have identified these things. Good. You are beginner and you have identified which is the computer system and how the computer system displays its data for you. How you access your files, how interact with the computer system. If you ask this one, there is two main device that plays a big role in your computer operation. There are two devices that we call it an input device. Namely, this one is a mouse and this one is a keyboard. What is the role of mouse and what is the role of keyboard? This is the main question. The role of mouse is to interact with your graphical interface like click, double click, drag and drop and so on when you work with computer system. And the role of the keyboard is actually for input data. For example, if you want to write a letter for your boss, open Microsoft Word application and type your paragraph, type your idea using this one. This will have alphanumeric key, numeric keypad, and also function key from F1 to F12, and arrow keys here, up, down, right, and left. And there are also control keys here, control, alt. All this included in the keyboard that plays a big role when you input data, when you interact with your computer system. Sometimes instead of mouse, you can also use your keyboard just to enter data and to simplify your work. For example, if you want to accept some command, you can also use enter key. If you want to open start menu, you can also press this Windows logo key. It will start the start menu. I think you have identified what are the main things that you should have to interact with your computer system, the main device that is the mouse and the keyboard. I think you have identified what is the role of mouse and what is the role of keyboard. For the next video, I will prepare how you can open your computer system for first time and how you can interact with graphical user interface, how you can open it, the system unit, how you can use your mouse keyboard. So don't forget to subscribe this channel, a very mandatory channel for you to learn a computer system, Dr. Computer YouTube channel, like this video and share for others, and make sure to subscribe for the next amazing video. Have a nice time.